Good morning, students. My name is Jagan Mohan, Triple Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today we will perform the open circuit and short circuit tests on the single phase transformer. So this open circuit test will help us to find the iron losses of the transformer, and the short circuit test will help us to find the copper loss of the transformer, and after finding the losses we can find the efficiency of the transformer. This is the circuit diagram of the open circuit test. So here you can observe, so this is the supply 230 volts 50 hertz AC supply. So this supply we have given to the single phase auto transformer. So from this transformer, again voltmeter is connected, ammeter is connected, and wattmeter is connected, and we have connected this to the low voltage side of the single phase transformer. So if you observe in this circuit, so we have opened the secondary high voltage side of the transformer. So secondary side we have open circuited the transformer. So for finding the voltage, we will find the we will do the open circuit for the secondary. Okay, so according to this circuit, we will give the connections. So first from the variac, we will connect to the voltmeter, ammeter, and wattmeter, and we will connect to the single phase transformer 115 volts single phase transformer. So then we will apply the rated voltage 115. So the maximum voltage here is 115. So we will give we will increase up to the 115 volts, and we will take the wattmeter reading. From these readings, we will find the iron losses of the transformer. So if you observe this circuit, so first from the supply 230 volt supply, we have given it to the auto transformer. So from auto transformer, from the phase of the auto transformer, next we have given to the voltmeter. So here if you observe here, so this from the phase of this auto transformer, this wire we have connected to the input terminal of the voltmeter. See, from the phase of this auto transformer, we have connected it to the input terminal of the voltmeter. Next again, for this input terminal of the voltmeter, again we have connected to the ammeter. If you observe in the circuit, so ammeter is also connected to this voltmeter. So next, from the output terminal of the voltmeter, we have given to the V of the wattmeter. We have connected to the V of the voltage 300 volts of the wattmeter, V of the wattmeter, and again, so this voltmeter is again connected to the auto transformer. So again one wire we have connected to the output of the auto transformer. Okay, neutral of the auto transformer. So next, for the wattmeter, if you observe, so for the M of the wattmeter, if you observe this ammeter, from this ammeter, the output terminal of the ammeter is connected to the M of the wattmeter. Is connected to the M of the wattmeter. Again, so this is MC. So we have short circuited this M and C. So this we have connected. Okay. Again, this L of the wattmeter. If you observe, it is connected to the 115 volt transformer. So if you observe, so this is connected to the 115 volts. So here you can observe here. So from the cell of the wattmeter, we have connected to the transformer. As per the circuit diagram. So if you observe, we have open circuited. So we have not connected. We are not having any connection for the primary side. So that means this 230 volts. and this neutral 230 volts and neutral we have not connected, so it is open circuited. Okay, so now we will start. So now by increasing the variac up to the rated voltage 115, here you can observe the voltage is slowly increasing. The voltage is slowly, so we have to take up to 115 volts, up to the rated voltage 115. Slowly we have to increase the voltage. So slowly we are increasing the voltage. So now here we have taken up to 115 voltage. Now we have to take the reading of the wattmeter. So the reading of the wattmeter is 50 watts. So we will take this readings. We'll take this readings and we will do the calculations for finding the iron losses. So now slowly we will decrease the voltage and we will off the supply. Now we will discuss about the short circuit test of the single phase transformer. So in the single phase transformer, we will short the LV side of the single phase transformer. We will short the phase and neutral at the LV side of the transformer. So in the open circuit, we have opened the HV side of the transformer. Here we are going to short. So this short circuit connection you can observe here. You can observe. So here we have short circuited this phase and neutral. We have short circuited the phase and neutral, and we have given connection to the 230 volts and neutral. Okay. So if you observe, so again from this variac we have connected it to the voltmeter as in the circuit diagram, and the ammeter and the wattmeter. Here we are going to short circuit connection. We will use the UPF transformer instead of the LPF transformer, because the current will be high. If in the short circuit the current will be high, so we will replace this wattmeter with the UPF transformer. So now we have to give the supply up to the rated current, by varying the variac. So we are giving the supply, increasing the supply. So if you observe, up to 8.6 is the rated current. Rated voltage is 115. So here we have to find the up to rated current. So slowly I am increasing. So now it is 4.5, it is 6.2, it is 7.5, and this is 8.0 and 8.6. So for the 8.6, now if you observe the wattmeter reading, it is 80 watts. It is 80 watts, and we will take the readings and we will do the calculations for the finding the efficiency of the transformer. Slowly we will decrease the current.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.